Now we'll go ahead and install the slave horns to the slave rods, and I'm going to do it like this rather than on the plane because these little pins here are so small it's really easy to lose one. I almost did already. Now we can just glue the horns into the upper and lower wings. The slave rods are in place, just a dry fit right now. Everything looks really good, so I'm going to go ahead and glue these. I think I'll use CA this time. Then we glue the rudder horn in place, and I went ahead and installed the rudder push rod. So that's ready to connect to the horn here. Went ahead and I pinned the rudder push rod to the servo arm. And I've got the clip in the rudder horn, and now I just need to trim that rod off to the right length, and then we can go ahead and put the pin in the back. Next we slide this plate in for the landing gear. And we just continue to slide that plate right on through to make room for the landing gear. Now we need to drill a 2mm hole for the landing gear on either side. Now we install the landing gear into the slot. It's a real tight fit, but it does go in. Now we need to lift it up to the top of the groove, and then we're going to slide that plate underneath it. And now we drill two 2mm holes to secure the landing gear onto the bottom of the fuselage. And then we secure it with screws. Next we install the wheel axle bolt and a little nut on the back to secure it. I'm not going to put the fairings on, so I'm going to go ahead and put the wheel on. Finally, a little bit of goop on the end of the threads to keep the nut from backing out. Now we'll install the tail skid. Just need to cut a little slit in there with a knife and goop it in. Next is the wing fences, and these are already notched out on both wings. The wing fences are on, just need to add a little CA to secure them. Now we'll go ahead and install the motor. The motor is mounted, the speed control is connected, everything is hooked up to the receiver. Seems to work okay, just need to clean this up a little bit and then we'll be good to go. The build is completed, the CG is set, everything's hooked up to the receiver. We're ready to maiden this. I'll go ahead and show you the throws. High rates on the aileron. The elevator full up, full down. Rudder full left, full right. Okay, maiden flight of the Revo P3. Get her trimmed out. She seems nice already. All right, not bad for a maiden.